Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest in automotive innovation. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Porsche 912 Daytona Banshee. This car isn't just about stunning design, but pushes boundaries with its performance and competitive pricing. Let's start with what's under the hood. The 912 Daytona Banshee is powered by a revolutionary hybrid twin, turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine paired with an advanced electric motor. Together, they produce an astounding 740 horsepower and 700 lb-feet of torque. This powerhouse launches the car from 0 to 60 in just 2.6 seconds, with a top speed reaching 211 miles per hour. It's Porsche engineering at its finest, blending raw power with precise handling, making this car a true performance beast. Porsche has also included an adaptive suspension system and rear-wheel steering, ensuring unmatched agility and control whether you're cruising the highway or attacking tight corners on the track. Additionally, the car comes with a newly developed dual-clutch transmission for seamless gear changes and optimized performance. Now let's talk about technology. Inside, the Daytona Banshee features Porsche's latest driver-focused cockpit, complete with a fully digital instrument cluster and a 12.9-inch central infotainment display. Connectivity is top-notch with integrated Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a suite of advanced driving aids including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras. Finally, we get to pricing. The 2025 Porsche 912 Daytona Banshee starts at $260,000, positioning it as a high-end contender in the luxury sports car market. For those seeking additional performance or bespoke options, Porsche offers a variety of upgrade packages that can push the price north of $300,000. It's an investment, but one that delivers on every front: speed, technology, and exclusivity. So that's a quick look at the 2025 Porsche 912 Daytona Banshee. With jaw-dropping performance, cutting-edge tech, and timeless design, this car is set to redefine expectations. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.